So we have a different kind of mystery box for you guys today. As you guys can see, this one is nicely and neatly wrapped, and it looks pretty interesting, guys. Something that we've never opened before. And I do have to let you guys know that next week is going to be the $5,000 mystery box. This one is $1,000, but should still be pretty cool. But the 5,000, the banger, the biggest sneaker mystery box we're ever gonna open will be next week's video. So don't forget to hit that notification bell, man. There will be a giveaway on that video as well, so you don't want to miss it, guys. It's gonna be a banger, just like this one. So stay tuned. This will be unboxed right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, coming at you with another Sneaker Mystery Box Friday episode, guys. This one is a $1,500 Australian dollar. I don't know what that's called. A 1,500 Australian dollar video, I guess. I don't know. It comes out to $11.20 in USD, so $1,100 sneaker mystery box. And we're gonna be opening it up real quick, but before we do, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rejuvenator. Now, Rejuvenator is the go-to company for sneaker cleaning supplies, guys. They have so much different stuff that I use all the time to clean all of my sneakers that I get from these mystery boxes, and just to clean my personal collection, guys. Rejuvenator has stuff like the water and stain repellent, really good for protecting your shoes so you guys don't get it as dirty as it could be. They also got these really quick and easy Rejuvenator sneaker wipes. Highly recommend this one as well. Don't forget the most important one that I honestly feel like every single person should have in their house if you guys collect sneakers is the Rejuvenator Advanced Deodorizer and Disinfectant, guys. Like, if you guys buy used sneakers, disinfectant spray, boom, cleans up all of those germs and stuff, and deodorizes, because if you guys have smelly feet, man, nobody wants to smell that. So get the advanced deodorizer. This thing smells amazing. And as a heads up to you guys, don't forget to check out Rejuvenator's Black Friday sale. So for Black Friday, which should literally be happening next Friday on the $5,000 mystery box video, don't forget to check out Rejuvenator sale, because they will be having a 50% off site-wide sale, guys. And the deals get even better because next week when I post out that link, you guys will also get a free mystery item when you guys use that link. It's not active until Black Friday, but it should run the whole weekend, so you guys will have time to cop. But for some of you guys that can't wait and you guys just got to clean up your sneakers now, there will be a link in the description of this video for 10% off your order if you guys click on that link and use code UNTIED. Again, just between you and me, to save the best money, you guys should wait till Black Friday and hoard up on as much of the cleaning supplies as you can, man. You know sneakers get dirty, and this is the time to cop. Now we can get into the sneaker mystery box. This sneaker mystery box was purchased from KixTW. I think that's how you call it, or Kixtwa. KixTW, I think. But they're a company out in Australia, so this thing was literally sent from the other side of the world to get here to be opened on Sneaker Mystery Box Friday. Again, like I mentioned, this one is actually $1,100 US or 1,500 AUD. This should be a cool one, guys. I mean, you guys see that it already is pretty unique. It has like a whole bunch of like wrapping on here with a lot of different brands. Complex Con, that's weird. What is Reese's Puffs doing here? Reese's Puffs is not hype, guys. I don't know why that's on there. It's not about what's on the outside, it's about what's on the inside, right? So let's open this up and see what we got, guys. I don't even know how to open this. This is weird. This has got to be the worst unboxing ever on YouTube. I'm just gonna pull it out from over here. I'm all thrown off my game now, guys. First things first, it does look like it comes with this. I don't know what this is, man. I thought this was supposed to be an all sneaker mystery box, so I'm kind of confused here, but it does look like it comes with, I think these are fake laces, fake off-white laces, replacement off-white laces. They obviously don't come in these little tubes and stuff, so this must be from a company that makes replacement laces, because that's not real. Bape college socks. So this one is actually legit. It is Bathing Ape socks, and also this red pair of Bape socks, I guess, as well. Very strange. Like I said, I thought I wasn't getting a Hypebeast mystery box, but apparently this is hype. What is all these toys in here? Validity Blake Show. What is going on? Okay, so this is like a little sneaker Lego thing. I don't know. This is a pair of bread toes, it looks like. They have a bunch of different other colors and stuff. And apparently they're selling for $45, which is a very expensive price. Don't like that at all. Kind of strange. Again, I think this is maybe a freebie, because I don't think this is part of a mystery box. I could be wrong, and we could have just got screwed on this box though. Who knows? Again, these boxes are not sponsored. They never are sponsored. So that is why I'm always candid with you guys about what I get. If I don't like the box, I'm not gonna hype it up. So far, I don't like the box. More Lego stuff in here, dude. I don't want Legos, I want sneakers. This looks like it's supposed to be a Lego set for fragments. The packaging does not look good at all. Looks tacky and cheap and looks like something you get from like a swap meet. I don't know. So there's that. And now we finally get to some of the shoes. So again, hopefully that was all free stuff. We don't want that to be part of the value of the box because that would be horrible. But for the first shoe, we actually have a pair of Revenge Storms here. So this one is a size 11, it says, and it's in brand new condition. So we have a pair of Revenge Storms right here, and it is in fact dead stock, so that's a good sign. This one is the standard black colorway, and you guys can check it out over here. Size 11 Revenge Storm, not even laced yet. No problems here, nothing on the bottom, and just a very simple sneaker. So I think these go for a pretty decent amount of money, and again, because it's dead stock, it should be easy to sell. Also comes, I guess, protected in a Kicks TW bag, which is kind of nice. Make sure it's protected, stays dead stock. So that is shoe number 1. No, shoe number 2 in here is not a pretty sight. It looks like we have a broken lid, which is not gonna help the value of this box. Guessing it wasn't supposed to be broken, but because it was shipped, whatever, it got destroyed. Anyway, you guys saw what this sneaker is over here. This one is a pair of size 10.5 Jordan 1 SBB 3.0s. I've seen this like 3 different times already, and they look more bad every single time I look at them. Very glossy sneaker, and something that I've dubbed as the ugly sneaker of 2019. For me, this is just not a dope sneaker at all. However, because it is dead stock, there should be some decent value there. Problem is that I gotta find like a replacement lid or something to sell it as dead stock, or just sell it as no lid. I think you can do that on GOAT, so that's a pretty nice backup in case I can't find a replacement lid. Now, I think we have 2 sneakers left in this box. This one is a size 10.5 Jordan 5, and this one is a pair of the Jordan 5 Michigans. One of the nice things that when you buy from a Kicks TW box is that you're actually able to buy only brand new sneakers, which is pretty cool. Obviously, like I was mentioning earlier, if it's brand new, they will be easier to sell, but you can expect like these not so hot sneakers to be in a box like this, I guess, because Jordan 5 Michigans, even though I think that they're a really nice looking shoe, they don't go for that much money. Very nice color palette, like I said. Basically looks like a poor man's Jordan 5 Tokyo, because it does have almost the exact same upper kind of look. If it didn't have this thing and it had a Jumpman instead, I think this would be a very dope sneaker. This one I think is going for like about 200 bucks or so, maybe even less now. I don't know why so many people are sleeping on this, but yeah, it doesn't have much resale value. All right, so the last sneaker in this crazy sneaker mystery box is right here. Yeezy 500 box, and this one is in a size 10.5. Ooh, okay. And for this one, again, in the Kicks CW bag, this one is a pair of Yeezy 500 Bone Whites, it looks like. I really love the Yeezy 500 line. They're very comfortable sneakers, and this one I think is going for about 220 or so. 250 maybe. So it's a pretty good pair right here. And you guys can see aesthetically, it just is pretty clean. Apparently they were selling it in their store for $545. I hope that is Australian dollars, because that is a ripoff. I'm just gonna say it, man. These are not worth $545. So very confused here. But yeah, it is in a mystery box, so I can't complain because it is dead stock as well. And that is actually it, guys. So I have a couple comments on this box. I don't know if the value was particularly there. I think it was actually lacking in terms of like actual resale value. It would probably be hard to make your money back or make any money on this box. However, the fact that they're all dead stock and the fact that it is a mystery box aspect, I guess it's not so bad. It's just not a reseller's box, it looks like. Things that I like about the box, I like the packaging. The packaging is cool. I like the fact that they bag up everything to make sure that everything stays intact, nice and neat. It is unfortunate that the lid on the Jordan 1 is broken, but I think that can't be helped. You know, when shipping happens, things move around, it's fine. The freebies and stuff, I wish that instead of the freebies, they actually threw in maybe one more shoe. If there was one more shoe, I feel like the box would actually be worth it, because then you'd have probably like a 20% margin rather than like a negative margin, which is what I'm assuming is going to be made on this box. So I think that would just be my other critique there. Maybe we'll check out more of these if you guys want to see more values from Kicks TW, see if we can try to mix up these boxes or go for like a Hype Beast mystery box instead. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out Rejuvenator. There is a link in the description right now if you guys want to go and cop your own advanced deodorizer, sneaker wipes, or water and stain repellents from Rejuvenator. Thank you guys so much for watching, man. This was a really interesting box and I'm glad I got to share it with you guys. It's always cool to check out new mystery box locations, so if there's any like companies or anything you guys want me to check out, leave it in the comments below. Additionally, let me know your own perspective of what you guys thought about this box. Always love hearing your guys' opinion. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoots!